Building strong readers starts with helping students fall in love with it. At Smith Elementary, reading teacher Amy Carroll has been a part of the school community for more than 20 years and says that foundation starts early.
I teach a reading lesson, but I also try to foster their love of independent reading so that the kids are able to choose what they want to read and have reading as a pleasure and not just as work all the time.
Ms. Carroll says the school's approach under the NES model helps meet students where they are and supports their daily growth.
I like that it's kind of tightened up the ship, so to speak. We have seen a lot of growth in our kids, and we're really enjoying it.
I love that. What kind of things do students learn in your class? Well, walk me through a day in your class, if you will.
So today we're going to learn about making connections to texts and text to self connections specifically. So text to self connections are when you find something in common with your life or your experiences with the book, and this leads to a deeper understanding of the text.
But for Ms. Carroll, teaching at Smith is more than reading skills. It's about community.
I love working here. We're really truly a family, and I know that sounds cliched, but we really are, and we have long-standing relationships with the families in our community. And so it's wonderful to see, I have what I call grand students whose parents were my students, and it's wonderful to keep those relationships alive.
A sense of family and a love of learning that keeps students turning the page.